Founded in 2006, Xingji Electrical Apparatus Company Limited has been focusing on R&D, production and sales of industrial electrical accessories. From the production of low-voltage switch accessories to power transmission and distribution control series supporting large industries, the secret of Xingji is innovation. Now, there are 101 authorized patents, including 22 invention patents. The technical level of operating mechanism, chassis truck, and other patented products is playing an important role in this field in China. Through continuous introduction of advanced equipment and high-level talents, the enterprise has achieved a breakthrough in R&D capacity with an output value of around 500 million yuan last year. At present, the enterprise has the R&D capabilities of postdoctoral workstation, CNAS Laboratory, Enterprise Research Institute, and Technology Center, so as to comprehensively enhance the core competitiveness. Enterprises continue to introduce CNC machine tools, automatic assembly line, laser welding, robot workstation, and other new equipment. In addition, through the transformation and upgrading of the network collaborative manufacturing system, the construction of private cloud platform, intelligent detection line, etc., the delivery time has been shortened to an average of 7 days. The company has established long-term partnership with ABB, Schneider, Siemens, Eaton, Mitsubishi, and other multinational companies. In the next step, our company's overall strategy is to provide the most professional and one-stop solution for the electrical industry in China.